Hi y'all, it's me, Darla G, and I'm back with a few more items that I received in the mail from AliExpress for mum making or just crafting in general. So I'm gonna go ahead and do an opening with y'all. Okay, here we go. Oh yes, okay, so this is some bling. I'm excited to see these in person. They look really good online. So let's see what they look like. Oh, these are great. These are fantastic. Okay, there's a circle one, an oval, there's a teardrop. I think there's something like 120 pieces in here, if I remember correctly, for about $1. Could have been $2. Okay, so let's see the size of these. Yep, they're about a 1/2 inch in diameter. Oops. And the oval, about the same. But y'all, these are really pretty. I mean, they are plastic, so, you know. But however they cut these, just is totally super blingy. You can make some really nice ribbons with this. All right, so that's one of the packages. And let's see what's in this one. Okay. Similar, but it's gonna be the flowers. Ooh, I like these. They are really pretty as well. They are very, very shiny in person. And they do show up pretty well on the camera, as I can see. This is just my regular iPhone, but anyway, I really like both of these. So that's awesome. I'm happy with these purchases. Again, I'm pretty sure this was probably between $1 and $2, probably closer to $1. I think this has something like 25 or 30 pieces in it. Oh, and let's check the size just really quick. It's a little bit more than a 1/2 inch, so yeah, it's a little bit more, but not by much. So I'm gonna make some blinged regular ribbon strands with these. I'll probably come back on and do a video because it's super simple, but it does make an impact. So, all right, and just as a bonus, I bought this. I'm just gonna open it since it's right here. Let's just go ahead and open it. Also from AliExpress. And let me explain. It is a Santa that dances, I believe this one is. Now, I will have to put batteries in it. If it's like the other one, I've got one more that came in. I hope this does not wake up my baby over there. Probably will. Because it's super loud unwrapping this. Okay, this one's supposed to shake its bottom and dance a little bit, so I'm gonna put some batteries in it and we'll see. Okay, so I put the batteries right here under his back, and let's see. He's supposed to stand up on his own. I may take the camera down from its typical position just so y'all can see. It says press here, but I had to, there we go. Okay. Well, it sounds a little rough. I'm not sure. I got this for like $14. I'm not sure I would pay that for it. If I were to see it and hear it in person. And I'm not, you know, super impressed with it, but I'm not going to send it back for that price. Okay, so there it is, the dancing Santa. All right, thanks y'all. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Thank you.